systems and some applications. Okay, then industrial applications, then after that we discuss regarding what are the advantages of fluid power systems. Okay, and also we discuss about disadvantages, and we discuss difference between hydraulic and pneumatic systems. Okay, similarities and these things. And here we discuss about pneumatic, combination of hydraulic and pneumatic, and also about the hydraulic systems. Okay, what are the applications, how we can apply this pneumatic system to our designs, our machines. Okay, then here you can see some advantages of pneumatic over hydraulic system and disadvantages of pneumatic over hydraulic system. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages. Then primary functions of hydraulic fluid, properties, we already discussed this part. Okay, so today I am going to discuss hydraulic types and pneumatic types component in hydraulic system. Okay, basic component in hydraulic system. These are hydraulic fluid types. Okay, basically mineral oil based one, petroleum based, and synthetic oil based, and also water. Okay, this mineral oil based type hydraulic fluid is most widely used fluid in industrial hydraulic. Okay, then synthetic oil used for lubricating process. Okay, it's also a fire resistant one, and this is used for aircraft installation process. Okay, synthetic oil used for aircraft installation process. Then water. This water is fire resistance one. Okay, you know about the water. Water is fire resistance one. Okay, then still in limited use in heavy presses, benders. Okay, and more. And then least expensive, but has corrosive. Okay, water effect to corrosion. Okay, then metal corrosions can be occurred due to water. Okay, water consists with SH2O. Okay, then it consists with oxygen, and more than due to this reason corrosion can be occur. And also other properties, low lubrications. Okay, so we can't use water as a lubricant. Okay, Then synthetic oil we can use as a lubricant oil. Lubricant oil mean ලීසි oil කියලා හරියනවා. නිකන් ලිස්සනවට දාන ඔයිල් එකක් විදිහට අපිට සින්තටික් ඔයිල් එක යූස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් water යූස් කරන්න බෑ. ඔයාලා දන්නවා water කියන්නේ මොන වගේද කියලා. You know about their properties and here you can identify another type, water-based fluids. Okay, in this case, we can see some water content include with this fluid. Okay, 35 to 50% water and mix of various glycose, polyglycose, and additives. Okay, then it's called water glycol. Water in oil emulsions consist with 40% water and mix of oil, emulsifiers, and chemical additives. Okay, oil in water emulsions 95% water and 5% soluble oil and additive. Synthetic solutions 95% of water. Synthetic solution consisted 95% of water and 5% of soluble salts and other chemicals. Okay, here you can identify water-based fluids. Some amount of water consists with mixed with this fluid. Okay, then water-based fluid are great interest today. It's very interest because of the need of low cost. This type of water-based fluid is low cost and safer. It is safety is good because fire resistance. Okay, these type of things we can consider. Then environmentally pure product. Okay, it's mean environmentally good. Then performance is not good as that for conventional hydraulic fluid, but performance is not good. Okay, then comparing with the hydraulic fluid, this type of fluid performance is not good. Okay. Then here you can see pneumatic gases. Pneumatic mean air. Okay. Yeah. Yes. These pneumatic gases uh, uh, is very dead comparing with the hydraulic system. This pneumatic gases operation is very good, very safe. Okay, then here you can see ideal fluid medium for pneumatic system is readily available gas that is non-toxic. Non-toxic mean the gas use should be safe for operates and not not pose any health risk. Okay, it is not effect to environment and our body. Okay, then chemically stable. Chemically stable mean the gas must maintain its properties over time and under various operating conditions without breaking down. Okay, then reacting with other components in the system. Okay, then most common are compressed air and nitrogen. Okay, under pneumatic gases, no, we can use most commonly as uh, compressed air. Okay, you can get compressed air using compression and also nitrogen. Then this compressed air is most widely used fluid in pneumatic system. හරි මේ compressed air කියන එක compressor එක කින්නේ ගන්න. එතකොට මේ pneumatic system වලට ගන්න මෙන්න මේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට industry වල තියෙන්නේ මේ compressed air කියන්නේ. හරි pneumatic system එකක් කිව්වොත් අනිවාර්යෙන් ඔයාලා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට use කරන්නේ මෙන්න මේ pneumatic air තමයි. නැත්නම් compressed air තමයි. හරි හයිඩ්‍රොලික් නියුමැටික් කියලා දෙකක් කතා කරනවා. හයිඩ්‍රොලික් කියන්නේ ඔයිල් එක. නියුමැටික් කියන්නේ ගෑස් එක. නිකන් අපි එයා විදිහට තමයි නියුමැටික් කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි? අපි හුස්ම ගන්න එයා එකම තමයි. හරි? එතකොට ඒක කම්ප්‍රෙස් කරලා අපි ඒකේ බලය යූස් කරනවා මේ අපේ ඇක්චුවේටර්ස් වැඩ කරන්න. හරි? ඒ වගේ දේවල්. Then when we consider this compressed air, most widely used fluid for pneumatic systems. Then it is readily available. Okay, this air is readily available. We no need to pay for air. Okay, then cost is very small. Okay, no need to pay. අපි ගෙවන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ එයා එකට නේ. එතකොට මේක එහෙමම මෙහෙම ඒවා available තියෙන අපිට ඒතකොට cost එක ගොඩක් යනවා අඩුයි. මොකද compress කරන්න යන cost එක විතරයි cost එකක් විදියට යන්නේ. හරි. Then easy to compress and easy of compression, easy to compress, and we can compress using compression. Okay, then has most of desired properties and characteristics. Then compressed air meet most of the necessary properties and characteristics for a pneumatic system. Okay, so under we need to clean air. Okay, using this method, using under these considerations. Okay, moisture separators and air dryers to minimize eliminate moisture. Minimize or eliminate moisture. Okay, we need to clean this air using moisture separators and air dryers. Okay, before compress air we need to clean this one. Okay, Then particulate filters to remove solid particles. Okay, we need to remove solid particles using filters. Okay, these parts you can see in compression. Okay, air compression. Then compressed air system uh, categorize. Okay, we can categorize based on working pressure. Okay, high pressure air mean 1,000 to 5,000 psi. Okay, medium pressure mean psi mean uh, pressure measuring unit. Okay, this psi mean pressure measuring unit. According to my memory, pound. Yeah, I check. PSI meaning pounds per square inch. Okay, PSI mean what are the other units we can measure pressure in this gas system? According to your knowledge, what are the pressure measuring units? මොනවාද අනිත් ඒකක? We can use bar, BAR bar, then Pascal. Okay, these are the other measuring units. All right. Then here we can discuss high pressure, medium pressure, and low pressure air. Low pressure mean 150 to below. Okay. Then medium pressure air mean between 150 to 1000 psi. Okay. When you are going to uh, when you are going to pressurize your car tire, okay, in then we can measure this car tire pressure using PSI value. Okay, when you increase car tire air pressure in a garage or in a tire center, you can measure this car tire pressure using PSI value. Okay, 32 psi, 35 psi, likewise you can measure using their measuring device. Okay, then another gas is another pneumatic gas is nitrogen. Okay, Uh, this nitrogen is used as the fluid medium. Nitrogen is inert gas, okay, which means it doesn't react chemically with other material, okay. This inert gas mean it doesn't react chemically with other materials, okay, making it a good choice for environments where corrosion or chemical reactions must be avoided, okay. And also non-flammable, nitrogen non-flammable, ගිනි ගන්නේ නැහැ, and does not cause rust or decay, okay. Then this is the nitrogen, and these are the properties. Therefore, it is used is preferred or compressed air in many pneumatic systems, especially aircraft and missile systems. Okay, it's nitrogen used in aircraft and missile systems. Okay, then according to this case, we can say the pneumatic gas must be non-toxic. Okay, toxic එකක් නොවෙන්න ඕනේ, and chemically stable. It should be chemically stable one. කියන්නේ pneumatic gas එකක් නා pneumatic system එක chemically ප්‍රතික්‍රියා කරන්න බෑනේ. gas එක ඇතුලේ මොකක් හරි chemical ප්‍රතික්‍රියාවක් කළා එයාගේ pressure වෙනස් කරනවා නම් ඒක pneumatic gas එකක් විදිහට use කරන්න බෑ. We can't use as the pneumatic gas. We can't use our pneumatic system. Really available it ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට එහෙමම available ගන්න තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay, then it should be easy to compress. ලේසියෙන්ම compress කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ without additional payment and additional cost. Okay, then these are the things, and okay, and then these both compressed air and nitrogen, okay, both gases offer specific benefits that make them suitable for various pneumatic applications. We can use this compressed air and nitrogen, okay, for various specific pneumatic applications. Okay, in this nitrogen mention about the aircraft system as application aircraft system. In aircraft, nitrogen is used in a pneumatic system to ensure safety and reliability. Okay, this is the reason. Then nitrogen doesn't cause corrosion. Okay, then not danger. Then it helps keep the system running smoothly. Okay, so these cases effect to use for aircraft. Okay, then nitrogen consisted lot of properties, lot of usable properties. Okay, okay then other thing is the comparing with nitrogen with compressed air. Compressed air is widely used due to its uh, easy of compression and generally suitable for many systems. Okay, the nitrogen, uh, however, is preferred in specialized environments. Okay, especially those in all critical system because it is inert, non-flammable, and corrosion resistance. Okay, these are the properties. Then, according to safe things and these cases, they use this new nitrogen for aerospace applications. Okay. Then here you can see a basic component of hydraulic power system. Okay. What are the basic components? Main components. Here you can see basically energy converters here. Okay. What is the meaning of energy converters? Here you can see the system broken down into several key components. Okay. Each each component with a specific function. First thing is energy converters. In this case, you can see energy converter mean uh, here you can see electrical motor or IC engine, internal combustion engine drive. In this area, you can see this part as a hydraulic pump. Okay. Then using this motor, you can drive this motor using electricity or thermal energy, fuel. Okay. Then thermal energy into mechanical energy, then energy converting process. Okay, here. Okay, these are the devices. Electrical energy convert into mechanical energy. Is it okay? Then electrical or thermal energy. Electrical, when we are using, when we are use a motor, then it we can say it is electrical energy. When you are using a IC engine, internal combustion engine, it's called as a thermal power, thermal energy. Okay. Then this mechanical energy is here you can see mechanical energy. Mechanical energy transferred to the hydraulic pump. Okay, here this one. Mechanical energy, this electricity generate mechanical energy, then mechanical energy transfer into hydraulic pump. Then hydraulic pump, what happens? Hydraulic pump also part of the energy conversion process. Okay, then what happens? We can get hydraulic energy using hydraulic pump. Okay, then pump converts the mechanical energy from the motor or engine, IC engine, into hydraulic energy by pressurizing the hydraulic fluid. Okay, then in this step is important because we can generate force and motion using hydraulic energy. Okay, then after that, here you can see hydraulic controlling system and regulating units. What is the meaning of controlling system? Controlling and regulating units. Now, after the hydraulic energy is generated, it passes through hydraulic control and regulating units. In this case, in this unit, we can control flow, okay, flow rate, okay, we can control flow rate, pressure, direction, okay, direction of hydraulic fluid, pressure of the hydraulic fluid, and flow rate of the hydraulic fluid, okay. Then this operation unit, this unit helps to operate the system smoothly and safely, okay. Then we can take maximum performance using this part, this controlling part, okay. Here you can see user. User mean hydraulic cylinder. Cylinder mean piston. Okay, hydraulic piston. Actuator. Users mean actually user mean actuators. Okay. Hydraulic motors, hydraulic cylinders. These are the users. Okay. Then in this case, in this unit, we can convert mechanical, we can convert a mechanical energy into, sorry, hydraulic energy into again mechanical energy. Okay. In this part, hydraulic energy is converted back into mechanical energy. Okay. Then finally, operating elements to be actuated. Okay, this is the final mechanical energy. We can generate our requirement. We can fulfill our requirement using this type of hydraulic system. Okay, we can take require force. Okay, according to our requirement, we can design our hydraulic system using hydraulic motor and actuators. Okay, hydraulic motors, piston, cylinder. These are the components. Okay, this dotted line area, you can see energy conversion process. These are the basic components in a hydraulic system. Okay. Here you can see energy converters as a power source, convert primary energy to mechanical energy to drive pumps, electrical motor, internal combustion engine. Okay, this part, electrical convert primary energy to mechanical energy to drive pumps. Okay, then it's mean electrical motor, internal combustion engine used for drive our hydraulic pump. Okay, we can use this motor to drive this pump, hydraulic pump. Okay, so pumps or compressors convert mechanical energy to fluid energy. Pumps or compressor means uh, using pumps we can convert mechanical energy into fluid energy. Okay, you can imagine how to work centrifugal pump. It's also like this, convert mechanical energy. Mechanical energy generate using a motor. Okay, then a pump is rotate, then we can pump fluid. Okay, you can take this type of application as example. Then actuators. What are the actuators? We can take in this actuator processes convert hydraulic energy to useful mechanical energy. Okay, then useful mechanical energy means this mechanical energy is very large and very important comparing with this mechanical energy. Okay, this is a very large value, large amount comparing with this uh, mechanical energy. Okay, using hydraulic energy we can generate large force, we can create large force. Okay, then convert hydraulic energy to useful mechanical energy. Then these are the actuators, cylinders. Okay, using cylinders we can take linear motion, forward and backward direction motions we can take. Okay, using motors, hydraulic motors, you can see hydraulic motors uh, in industry. Okay, lot of hydraulic motors you can see. Okay, using these hydraulic motors we can create rotary motions. හරි. එතකොට cylinders කියන්නේ piston, ඔයාලා දන්නවා pistons මේක වැඩ කරන cylinder එකක් කියන එක දන්නවනේ. එතකොට actuators වලට තියෙන්නේ cylinders motors. හරි. එතකොට hydraulic cylinder එකක් නම් hydraulic jack කියලා කියන්නේ, ඔයාලා jack කියන්නේ වාහනවල. ඒක තමයි cylinders කියන්නේ. හරි. ඔයාලා දන්නවා මේ මොනවාද JCB එකක එහෙම ඔය මේ ඔයාලා දන්නවනේ hydraulic jack තියෙනවා. ආනේවා තමයි linear cylinders කියන්නේ. ඒවා තමයි linear motion, linear actuators කියලා සමහරලාට කියන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට linear actuators, cylinders, piston කියලා කියනවා. හරි. හරියටම piston කියන්නම් අර ඇතුලේ ඔය cylinder එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන piston එක. හරි. සමහරලාට ඔය cylinder එකට piston කියලාත් කියනවා. හරි. එතකොට ඒකෙන් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් linear motion, forward backward විතරනේ. ඔයාලා දැකලා තියෙනවනේ. ඒක use JCB එකේ වැඩ ගොඩක් කරාට එයාගේ එක සිලින්ඩර් එකක් කන්සිඩර් කරොත් ඒ සිලින්ඩර් එක ඉස්සරහට යනවයි පස්සට යනවයි විතරයි. forward and backward. හරි. The rotary motion we can take using hydraulic motors. ඒතකොට hydraulic motor එකක් වැඩ කරන්නේ මෝටරයක් වගේ තමයි. ඔයාලා සාමාන්‍ය මෝටර එක තියෙන්නේ. electrical motor එක. DC motor එක හිතන්නකො DC motor එකේ වැඩ කරන විදිහටම තමයි shaft එක කැරකෙන්නේ. නමුත් ඒක ඇතුලේ අපි දෙන්නේ hydraulic system එකක්. input එක විදිහට hydraulic line එකක් දෙනවා, output එක විදිහට hydraulic line එකක් දෙනවා. හරි? ඒකට මෝටර ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ ඉම්පිලර් එකක් වගේ නිකන්. හරිද? එතකොට අපිට ලොකු බලයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. We can take a large power using hydraulic motors. Okay, we can take a large torque. හරිද? බල ගුණයක් එහෙම නැත්නම් බලයක් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් hydraulic motors use කරලා. Okay, then here you can see controllers. Controllers are, these are the controllers: direction control valve, flow control valve. We can direction control valve using we can control direction of the fluid using direction control valve. Okay, we can control flow rate using flow control valve. Okay, fluid pressure we can control using pressure control valve. Okay, these are the main controlling equipments in this fluid system. Okay, okay, then we can control this controlling system vary the magnitude and direction of the flow. Magnitude කියන්නේ ප්‍රමාණයයි, flow එකේ direction එකයි වෙනස් කරලා අපිට control කරන්න පුළුවන් flow එක. And also pressure. Okay, using pressure we can control our fluid system. Okay, then other main components: tank or reservoir. Tank or reservoir again mean store tank, fluid store tank. Okay, එතකොට අපිට ගබඩා කරලා තියන්න ඕනේ tank එකක් කොයින් fluid. දැන් හිතන්නකෝ compressed air කියලා. compressed air උනත් අපිට ගබඩා කරන්න ඕනේ tank එකක් ඕනේ. ඒක තමයි compressor එකේ අර ලොකු සිලින්ඩරයක් වගේක් තියෙන. ඒක ඇතුලේ ගබඩා වෙනවා compressed air. හරි? ඒ වගේම hydraulic දැන් JCB එකක් හිතන්න, excavator එකක් හරි මොකක් හරි හිතන්න. ඒකේ hydraulic system එක දුවන්න hydraulic අපි ගබඩා කරලා තියන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් store tank එකක් ඕනේ වෙනවා. නැත්නම් reservoir එකක් ඕනේ. And also pipes, filters. Using filters we can filter dust. Okay, dust and metal particles using filters in our fluid. And heat exchangers. What is the meaning of heat exchanger? Can you give me an answer for this heat exchanger? Who can give me an answer for heat exchanger? What is the heat exchanger? What is the meaning of heat exchanger? Heat exchanger කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? What are the applications in hydraulic system? What are the applications? Why we need to use this heat exchanger for this hydraulic system or a pneumatic system? What is the reason? What is the principle of heat exchange? Who can tell me? I heat exchange එකක් ඕනේ. hydraulic system එක. මොකක්ද heat exchange එක කියන්නේ? මොනවාද applications? කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Now you are in second year, I think. Then you should know about the heat exchange. I am asking about what is this part?
Recording in progress.
ඔයාලට මාව ඇහෙනවද? Kavidu, can you hear me? Kavidu? Okay. Kavidu, tell me what is the heat exchanger? What are the applications? Or you can explain using an example or something. ඔයාලගේ අදහස තියෙන එක කියන්න. heat exchanger එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? heat engine නෙවෙයි heat exchanger. heat engine කියන්නේ වෙන කතාවක්. මම අහන්නේ මේ heat exchanger එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Okay, you can check. I will ask on. I will ask next day about heat exchanger. Okay, then accumulator. These are the other main components. This accumulator we will discuss next. Okay, this tank core is one by one we can discuss other main components one by one. Here you can see tank core reservoir. Yeah. Heat exchanger is the transfer of heat from a hot fluid to a cooler fluid without mixing them. Yeah. Using heat exchanger, we can transfer heat, or we can cool our fluid or gas using heat exchanger. Okay, we can transfer heat using a heat exchanger. Okay, one medium to other medium. Okay, another medium. එතකොට heat exchange එකෙන් එක medium එකකින් ඉඳන් තවත් medium එකකට අපිට heat එක transfer කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම අපිට අපේ fluid system එකේ නැත්තම් pneumatic system එකේ හරි අපේ system එක cool කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි? heat exchange එක හරහා heat එක exchange වෙනවා. heat එක මාරු වෙනවා කියන එක තමයි අදහස. හරි? Then here you can see description about the tank or reservoir used to store and handle the fluid. This tank used for store fluid and also to handle the fluid. Okay. Then here you can see other function: dissipation of heat, trapping of foreign matter. Okay. Separation of air bubbles from the fluid. Okay. These are additional functions. Okay. These are tank types. You can understand. Tank types: open types, closed type, pressurized type. Okay. එතකොට tank තියෙනවා open සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම open වෙච්ච තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම close සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම close වෙච්ච tank තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම pressurized වෙච්ච. ඒ කියන්නේ tank එක pressure වෙලා. එතකොට ඔය pneumatic compressor එකක හැම වෙලේම tank එකේ pressure වෙලා තියෙන්නේ නේ. අන්න ඒ වගේ තමයි pressurized tank. Make use of a gas to maintain pressure and provide cushion for thermal expansion or pressure surge. Okay, pressure එක maintain කරන්න එතකොට gas එකක් හරි elastic cushion එකක් හරි use කරනවා thermal expansion එක අඩු කරගන්නයි ඒ වගේ කාරණා ටිකට. හරි? These are the tanks, okay, like this, hydraulic tanks. Okay, so pipes. Here you can see pipes. This type pipes, hydraulic pipes, manufactured using copper or steel. Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear? These are hydraulic hose. Okay, you can see okay, then filters. Using filters, we can reduce dirty dust in the fluid. Okay, then these are the type of fluid filters: pressure filters, return filters, suction filters. Okay, there are different types. Then a heat exchanger used for control the temperature of working fluid. Okay. Using heat exchanger, we can reduce fluid temperature. Okay. Accumulator. Then accumulator have several key functions in this hydraulic system. Okay, including as fluid reserve, as an emergency unit, as leakage compensation, and to balance out the volume at temperature changes, to break down pressure peaks, and to cushion vibration for the recovery of brake energy. Okay, these are the some functions, basic functions we need to discuss under accumulator. As a fluid reserve, accumulators serve as a reserve of hydraulic fluid. Okay, in a system where a large quantity of fluid may be required at short notice, the accumulator provides this fluid without needing a large pump of high drive power. Okay, then this is especially useful in situations with short term high power requirements. Okay, suitable for short term high power requirements. As an emergency unit, accumulators can stop an ongoing operation without causing damage to pump. Okay. Then in case of power failure, system malfunctions, the accumulator can release stored energy to safely stop to the system. Okay. Accumulator can release stored energy to safely stop the system without any damage to the system. Okay. Then as leakage compensation, then in hydraulic system can lose pressure due to minor leakage. Okay, minor leakages. Then accumulator help maintain pressure over a long period by compensating for these leakage losses and ensuring the system continues to operate efficiently. Okay, this accumulator help maintain pressure over a long period by compensating for these leakage losses. Then to balance out volume at temperature changes in a closed hydraulic system, okay, in closed hydraulic system, temperature changes can cause the fluid to expand or contract. Then accumulators help balance out these volume changes, maintaining stable system pressure. Okay. Then to break down pressure peak mean during switch processes in hydraulic system pressure then accumulators absorb these pressure peaks. Okay. uh, Absorb these pressure peaks, then protect this system without any damage. Okay. So cushion vibrations mean hydraulic system can generate vibrations, especially near pumps. Okay, especially near pumps, and accumulators help cushion these vibration by reducing pressure amplitudes, leading to a smoother operation and less wear on system components. Okay. Then recovery of brake energy in some system accumulators can recover brake energy. Okay. Then store this energy, and they can use it can use future use. Okay. Then it may be improve system efficiency. Here you can see a type of accumulators, different type of accumulators. Okay, first one is weight mean weight loaded accumulator. Okay, spring loaded accumulator, piston type accumulator, uh, bladed type accumulator, and membrane accumulator. Okay, here you can see some pictures regarding accumulators, type of accumulators. Okay. Using these sketches, you can identify their mechanisms. Then these different types we can use for different applications. This first one we can use for weight loaded one. We can use for heavy applications. Okay. Then this type typically used for used in system where constant pressure is needed over long period, and spring loaded accumulator. These accumulators used when moderate pressure and compact size are required. Okay. And piston type accumulators then piston types accumulators we can use for heavy duty applications. Okay. Then blade accumulator is fast response fast response accumulator. Okay, according to time. A fast response. Then blade accumulators this sorry membrane accumulators little bit similar to blade accumulator. This one. Okay. In this case, have some flexible membrane like this. Okay. Using this membrane, we can separate gas and the, here you can see gas, in this area, hydraulic fluid. Okay. And here you can see a membrane accumulator. Okay, basically, these are the things, these are the basic functions we need to know about the accumulator. Okay, so these are the types. Then here you can see actuators, linear actuators and rotary actuators. Okay, under linear actuators we can discuss single active cylinders and double acting cylinders. Okay, single acting cylinders and double acting cylinders. Okay, then telescopic type cylinders we can see. There are three types. First one is single acting cylinder, double acting cylinder, and telescoping type cylinder. Okay. Single acting cylinder mean apply force only one direction by pressurized fluid. Okay, we can move, we can apply force only in one direction. Then retracting force can be gravity or mechanical spring. Okay, then we can give only one force to move forward. We can move our cylinder uh, only forward direction. Backward position, backward direction motion will be occurred due to gravity or mechanical spring system. Okay, then double acting cylinder, both stroke of force are produced by pressurized fluid. We need to give a inlet to inlet and outlet to our cylinder to pressure, and again another side we need to give inlet and outlet to our piston. Okay, I will show you a picture for double acting cylinder. Okay, here you can see single acting cylinder. Okay, operation of single acting cylinder. You need to give a fluid line. You need to connect fluid line here. Okay, fluid pipeline here. Then this piston will move to forward direction according to hydraulic power. Okay, then it will move to a backward direction due to this spring tension. Okay, this is the single acting cylinder. Then double acting cylinder cases, we need to provide two pipelines to our cylinder. Okay, when you inlet our pressurized hydraulic oil from this line, this piston will move to forward direction, and when you are inlet pressurized fluid from this direction, this piston will move to down direction. හරි. සිංගල් acting cylinder එක ස්ප්‍රින් එකකින් ටෙන්ෂන් කරන් තියන් ඉන්නවා. එතකොට එයාට දෙන්න ඕනේ මොනවද? ෆ්ලුයිඩ් එක පැත්තකින් දුන්නාම එයා යනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ෆ්ලුයිඩ් ප්‍රෙෂර් එක නැති වුණා නම් එයා අපස්සට එනවා. හරි. එතකොට මේ මෙතනදි ෆ්ලුයිඩ් එක දීලා නැහැ. ඊළඟ ඩබල් ඇක්ටිං සිලින්ඩර් එක ඔය එක පැත්තකින් ෆ්ලුයිඩ් එක දුන්නා එයා ෆෝවර්ඩ් යනවා ඉස්සරහට. ඊට පස්සේ අනිත් පැත්තෙන් ෆ්ලුයිඩ් එක දුන්නාම එයා බෑක්වර්ඩ් ඩිරෙක්ෂන් එකට මූව් වෙනවා. ආපහු තිබ්බ පොසිෂන් එකට එනවා. ඉනිෂියල් පොසිෂන් එකට එනවා. Okay. Then both stock of was produced by pressurized fluid. Then telescoping type cylinder consists of a series of rams nested in a telescopic assembly. Provide relatively long stock with good mechanical strength. Okay. Then here you can see rotary actuators. Okay. Then produce power output to a turner shaft. Here you can see using this actuator. Okay, using this piston, using this cylinder, you can move this shaft to forward direction and okay, we can move this shaft to forward direction and backward direction. In this shaft, you can see some thread line, like a thread. Okay, then here you can see a gear wheel. Okay, one gear wheel. When you are moving this forward and backward, this shaft will move, rotate according to their movement. Okay, then produce power output to turner shaft. Then categories, you can see rotary actuator categories: limited rotation, continuous rotation. Okay, limited rotation means oscillatory hydraulic motors. Then here you can see rotary actuator types. Okay, gear types. vane types, piston types. Okay. Then this type of rotary actuators can be fixed or variable capacity items. Okay. These actuators can be fixed or variable capacity items. Okay. Then these are the basic components in the hydraulic system. Basically, you can see these components in a hydraulic system. You should remember these things. Okay, these are basic components. Okay, then we can see some small other parts in a hydraulic system, but these are basic components, main components. Okay, lot of subcomponents we can see. Okay, so you should remember these things. And okay, then this symbol, main symbols, we will discuss next day. Okay, these are main symbols in a hydraulic system when you are going to design when you are going to refer some drawing. Okay, you need to identify these components. You can identify hydraulic components using these symbols. Okay, electric motor you can draw like this using a, okay, pumps you can draw like this. Okay, these are single acting cylinder, double acting cylinder. We can discuss next day. Can you able to install fluid sim software? Here you can see design. Okay, this is the design. We can design this type of system using fluid sim. Okay, these are control valves, direction control valves. Okay, pressure control valves. Okay, next day I will try to develop this type of system. Okay, using fluid sim. Then after that you can identify how to handle this fluid sim software and how to develop your uh, projects using fluid sim software. You can identify. Okay, it is very easy to use, but it's very easy to use, and you need to identify basic knowledge, basic things. Okay, basic components. Then after that you can design by yourself Any hydraulic system, any pneumatic system, you can develop using fluid sim. Okay. Okay, thank you for your support and your representation and your participation. And I will wind up here. If you have any questions, you can ask regarding this hydraulic systems. Please try to install a fluid sim before come to next lecture. I will try to give some assignment using fluid sim. Okay, using fluid sim and also using pump part, pumps, regarding pumps. Next day, I will give you a assignment. You can ask any questions regarding this. Please download Fluid sim and install to your PC. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I will stop here. Thank you for your participation.